Mission override.
Right guys, well, we're going out on a special mission today. We've got to pick up something really special. However, we've had some sort of a problem at first. Got a flat tyre. We think it's just a valve, but we've got a spare there anyway. But just to get us on the road, we're going to pump it up and get on our way. Special mission. Right, we're on our way. It's freezing cold. It's about -3 outside. And yeah, my nuts are freezing off. On the road now. Off with boy. There's Charlie boy.
Hello.
So we're going on Route 66. Got to pick the trailer up because we're going for something special. Very special. Right, we're here. We'll get away. It's all nicely hunky-dory, fastened up, pins in, and we're on our way. Right boy, let's go. Right, we're off to Button Round. Follow Mrs. Bill. Right, we're on our way. We got 154 miles to go. We're on our way from misery to happiness again. We're on our way from misery to happiness again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's that? Oh, it's the Bobbies. Hello? Yeah, over here in England, you'll always find that the Bobbies are around the next bend or something like that. So you've got to control your speed.
Charlie has a granddad bladder.
Yeah, Charlie has a bladder like a granddad. We've only done 15 miles. He needs a pee. Don't you, Char?
It's the protein shakes.
The protein. He can't hold it in. He's 65 him. Right, we pulled into Exelby.
We'll have to go to HGV Park.
Yeah, go over here. Just pull you. Well, we're back on the road again after Charlie's weak bladder. And we got some snacks. There we are. Have a little boost. I like me peanuts, chocolate nuts. Charlie likes his eggs. Right, we've got a couple of snacks. We're on our way. merging onto the A1, which, if you don't know the A1 runs up the east coast from bottom to top. It's not the longest road. The M6 on the west coast is the longest road from bottom to top. But we merged on the A1, and it's very bad, the cloud or fog. It's very bad. Here's a clue on what car we're getting. A good clue on what car we're getting is it's not one of them. And it's definitely not one of them. The guy.
Herbert.
Yeah.
Herbert the pervert. Hey, Chris. Got those popsicles alive.
Go on, do it.
I'm not
Do
doing it now. Don't want to do it.
Hey, Chris. You know that them popsicles are like.
Go on.
No.
Ah, yeah. Do it.
No?
You're pretty good.
I know.
Do him. Do him.
No.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Okay, do it. Do it.
Hey, Chris.
Old freezer full of popsicles.
I got more chins than a Chinese phone book. And you're following in my footsteps, son.
Nothing here.
Oh. I got more chins than a Chinese phone book. Well, I don't know how long this is on for then. We've got 80 miles to do. 1 hour and 31 minutes. It's still like this. Freaky weather. It was lovely and sunny and icy when we came out. Now there's no sun, icy, foggy. Oh, we're just coming out of the fog now. Yay, sunlight. Hey, Charlie's chins. Yay, look, sunlight. There's the fog over there. It's not on the time, it's over here. Where are we, Charlie?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Past Hull.
Yeah, I think Hull's right over there. No, it isn't. Because we haven't came up to the big bridge yet. Humber Bridge.
Ah, yeah.
So the
That's
Humber Bridge is further up on the left.
Yeah. We're going right to the airport.
But it's nice to see that there's sunshine on this side. It's a bit like sunshine on Leith. Cool. It's not even raining. And there's loads of water flicking up from Charlie's little grill down there. Can you see it? Aye. It's probably his radiator, but it's alright. Trailer's still behind us, that's good. size of this tower here.
Yeah, that's what we're taking up.
Crikey. That's some television tower, that. That light will be the guy who changes the light bulb at the top of that. Crikey. More aeroplanes in the sky. Yeah, that's some height. Charlie's just been having a discussion about electric motorcycles and petrol motorcycles. Well, electric motorcycles, we're saying that don't sustain a long time, but yet petrols do. And your motocross bike is what year?
2004.
2004. Now imagine an electric motorcycle from 2004 or a new motorcycle now. Now it's going to be like Trigger's brush. You're going to need to change the handle, which is the batteries, and then you're going to need to change the brush, which is the motor. So yeah, you can have that 2004 electric motorcycle, but you'll have changed the handle, which is the batteries, and you'll have changed the brush, which is the motor. So what's the point of electric motorcycles?
This old broom has had 17 new heads and 14 new handles installed.
Lots and lots of mole holes. Moles. Molly, 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 molly. Play whack-a-mole.
Molly, 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 molly.
Will you guys see what we're picking up here? You'll love it.
Now, without further ado,
Right guys, here we are. And there's a surprise that we're coming to get. There. Toyota Serra, 1990. She's seen better days, but that's the car we came for. You wait to see her when she's good, done up and all going. These cars are pretty rare now. Made them in 1990 to 92, I think, and it's very hard to get hold of these. The special thing about these is the doors. They aren't called gullwing, they're actually called butterfly doors. So butterfly wing doors, it's a 1.5 16 valve, and can't wait to get her home. Told the wife Sarah's coming home with me. She's not happy. How old is she? Oh, she was born in 1990. All right. Right. I'll go and pay the guy and we'll get her loaded.
I like you a lot.
Loaded up on a trailer. She's in park, handbrakes on. And this is Sarah. Isn't she a beauty? Isn't she a beauty, Charlie? Yeah, cool. And make sure this bonnet's down. And we had to winch this up here. And Charlie's out of breath through winching. You wouldn't think he goes to the gym. That's the engine. All needs redoing. Oh yeah, put that on your thing so we don't lose it. Anything else there? We'll get it home, see if we can get it started. Oh, where's the radiator cap gone? It's kicking about somewhere.
No.
There's a couple of bolts up here, Charlie. Get them bolts so they don't drop out. Intake pipe's got a little boost bottle on it.
Doesn't actually look too bad under there, does it?
Yeah, it doesn't. It's not too bad.
Yeah.
That'll clean up very clean. That. Someone's changed the caps on there for chrome ones and.
Said there was a water leak on it, but we'll.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, at the back.
That's the only fault that's on it. Yeah. And they've had it running with the water leak on it, and you can see it actually.
Aye.
Is it somewhere?
It'll be a metal pipe,
somewhere
just
down
like the
there.
Rovers.
Yeah.
They're used to rot.
You did say
The
it was
Rovers.
down there, like.
Yeah, I've done a few Rover ones. Good clean up. Couple of scabs done, couple of dents pulled, and couple of touch-ups. She'll look lovely. Good clean on the inside.
Yeah, I don't think he wants a big amount of work.
Yeah, it looks lovely. Looks lovely. Right, we're off back to Middlesbrough. We've got Sarah. And we can yam. As Afon says, hey. Look at all that hay over there. There's loads of it. Right, we've just made a little stop here at Mackie D's. We want a Mackie D's, don't we?
Yep, big
Yep.
Mac.
Alright then, let's go. Oh, this is small.
That's medium.
Right, I think that's small. Ease is medium, I think. They got fat meal. Look. 9, not 6. 9.
Yep.
Chicken nuggets. Chicken dinner. I got the crispy. And a nice brew of tea. Nice brew of PG. There we are. Let's get the milk in. But let the sea bag sit there. Yum yum. Look at this compared to mine. OMG. Right, so there's different chicken nuggets, yeah?
Right, yes.
Yeah.
You have the boot.
Yeah.
You have the diamond.
Yeah.
The diamond, and you have the round. They're the 3 chicken nuggets that you get with every chicken nugget.
But they're all the same. They taste the same.
This boot tastes the best, followed by the diamond, and then the round.
Same, but different.
Same, but different. But still same.
Nice little dent. Right there. Ah, it looks a bit mossy. It's been stood a while. Yeah, it's a bit mossy. Dent there at the back. Aye, there's a lever inside there for the boot.
I've seen the photo with this in the key in the back.
There you are. That's it there. Oh, it's got mouldy. It's got no speaker in.
I know.
It's supposed to have that Toyota speaker on.
It's wet in there as well.
Yeah, we'll have to clean it all.
This seal.
Yeah,
Oil's
Give-
on there.
give it a good clean. We'll sort it out. We'll sort it.
Take the second hole.
Let's get it home. Has it gone down now, yeah? Oh, baby. Right, we just pulled on the A1. Still got about 100 miles to go. The sun's already starting to set on us. And, lights are on. Straight home now. A1 all the way home. See you there. Right, the sun's starting to set and looks like we're going to hit some fog again. So we're going to hit the fog lights just sit this thing out. See all the fog over there. Just starting to come in. Weird weather this. Icy cold. 50 miles to go. It's turned into a proper pea soup round here. And just taking it easy. We'll be home soon. Just stopped at this stop there. Getting some fuel. Look at that upside down. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Isn't that in here? All the thing of next. Right, I'm gonna go in there and shake the snake. Oh yeah, that's all ice, yeah. That's why we're getting all the water up there. Yeah, we're a cool station, yeah. Let's check the tyres. Yeah, it looks alright. Everything's still on. Everything's still there. Tyres are alright. Yeah. That's it. Get bloody radio on. Oh, that's bad news, that. What's the world turning to? Right. Only a couple of miles to go now. Get that ring. Well, that is so cool, seeing a race car upside down. How cool is that? Guys, we've made it. We're back home now. Let's have a look. Let's try to do Molly at work. She's at home now. She'll be getting done up. She'll be running in soon in no time. And oh, light's gone out. And yeah, let's see what happens. So this is a project I'll show in the next video. So hold on to your skates for the next video and the rebuild of this. But here she is, Toyota Sarah, 1990. Over and out.